Enterprise AI. Enterprise AI for the telecom industry, for the media industry, but also of course for the high-tech industry. Welcome to Mobile World Congress here from the Infosys booth with a beautiful booth. Looks like as we are in space in the future, but the future is now. Enterprise AI is now, it's real. And I would like to show you around why it is so important to start with Enterprise AI right now. Let's go. So to talk about Enterprise AI for all the different industries that I just mentioned, it's important that you have an integrated approach. Stop from the perspective where you have different departments, different workflows, and try to make it work for just one segment. Think from integrated AI, workflows integrated end to end, and the time for pilots is basically for the past. Now you need to be ready for scaling your AI. And scaling AI for a key reason, for growth. Growth, for example, by using AI with real-time analytics, driving your revenue, improving your journeys from your customers to increase your revenue. But also you can increase and improve your demand generation by monitoring it with real-time analytics. But also for your engagement in the journey from customers to use AI to optimize their journey based upon the data that you get all in real time. So that's how you can realize growth. Now, let's go to the next pillar and the next driver. Go with me. So the agility of your operation is crucial. You need to be ready for change, ready to be flexible. And one of the pillars, for example, for this is to have self-healing networks, especially in the telecom industry, of course. Another one, for basically every industry, is predictive maintenance. Be sure that your systems won't go down by predict what will happen and prevent it before it basically happens. And of course, if you have this in place, your response times will be much better for your operation and for your network optimization. These are one of the agility type of drivers, but there's many more. Now, let's go to the next one, which is a key one, is transformation. One of the key drivers for your business is your transformation of your business. And of course, you can think about transformation of your business system. Think about having from physical products moving to digital products. First, maybe insights or generating new AI type of products, where you can update your business model by asking money for your products, moving to services and maybe on delivery type of based business models. That's the first step. Another important part for change is moving to end-to-end change for your whole workflows, for your whole organization. And last but not least is innovation. You can use AI for innovation, doing all the research much faster than what you've ever done before, to speed up your innovation with new products, physical products, or add digital products as well. This transformation is crucial to stay up to date and to stay cutting edge in your business. Now, let's go to the last one, which is the transparency. Let's go. So last but not least is responsible AI. Responsible AI, you need to be within the ethical boundaries that you have defined. Be transparent. And that means basically that your AI needs to be explainable. You need to understand why decisions are made. But also, of course, it needs to be secure, a key foundation. And with security, there's some kind of paradox. The paradox of security, where AI can help you to be secure, but where AI can also be used by the malicious people that want to attack you. So security has two sides of the coin with AI. And last but not least is, of course, be responsible. Be sure that your whole organization work within the boundaries of your responsible AI framework. Now let's go to some cases which are very interesting in the telecom industry. Now let's dive in with one of the success cases, Proximus. I spoke with them a couple of months ago. It's a great case, what they have achieved. So Proximus basically had the challenge of having many duplicate processes. 1,500 processes are duplicated due to M&A. They had 3 different types of platforms, and they basically merged the 3 platforms back to one platform and were able to improve their time to market from a staggering 9 months back to just 4 weeks. And in this process as well, they started using generative AI. They used generative AI on one end for programming, so the programmers could focus more on the high-level type of programming and get support for creating apps with the help of Gen AI. But also they created a digital assistant to improve initially their internal customer service and later their external customer service to the clients as well to improve the processes. And last but not least, they started using AI for generating content for improving their communication with their clients. So on one hand, they improved their platform, but on the other hand, they started using AI to improve their customer experience and the revenues that they have generated. Now, let's go to the next case. So one other main telecom service provider is Liberty Global. You all know them. They also had a similar type of challenge. They had 3 different type of platforms, all mainly due to M&A. But they were able to bring it back just to one platform. And they were focusing at the efficiency within their operations. They improved the efficiency by more than 30%, which is an amazing result, I think. But they also started using AI, Gen AI. For example, they had their analyst reports, which they start generating with Gen AI, reducing them a lot of time, and on the other hand, money, of course, for generating this. So this is how you can use Gen AI and in platform improvement within the telecom industry, and I think this is a great case for this. Now, let's look more from a department perspective and dive into that as well. Let's go. Now let's wrap up with enterprise for AI. We've seen multiple different cases, whether it's for sales and marketing, whether it's for your operation, whether it's for your network operation, whether it's for your customer service. Every department, every segment, you need to have an integrated strategy for AI, for enterprise AI. I really would like to thank you. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you liked the tour as much as I did, and look forward to seeing you next time here from the Infosys booth at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Thanks and bye-bye.